Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 9, Articles. The words a, an, and the are called articles. These are usually placed before nouns and indicate which persons or things we are referring to in a sentence. Example: it is a common mistake to confuse crocodiles and alligators. Articles can be of two types: indefinite articles and definite articles. What are indefinite articles? The articles a and an can refer to any person or thing. These are called indefinite articles. Example: a woman, a dog, a fruit. Now, definite article. The is called the definite article because it points to a particular person or thing in a sentence. Example: he saw the minister during the parade. The, a particular minister, okay? Let's begin the exercise. Exercise A is omitted. Exercise B. Rewrite the sentences using articles. First, manager of Oberoi Grand is my uncle. The answer is the manager of the Oberoi Grand is my uncle. Second, River Ganga is in India. The answer is the river Ganga is in India. Children, I will give you 10 minutes to complete the rest of the exercise. Okay? I hope you have finished. So let's begin. Third, Prime Minister of India will visit Republic of China next month. The answer is the Prime Minister of India will visit the Republic of China next month. Next, fourth one, Bajoria School is opposite petrol pump on Boise Road. The answer is the Bajoria School is opposite a petrol pump on Boise Road. Fifth, Taj Mahal in Agra is popular tourist attraction. The answer is the Taj Mahal in Agra is a popular tourist attraction. Sixth, wind is blowing gently. The answer is the wind is blowing gently. Seventh, our sports day is on 4th of May. The answer is our sports day is on the 4th of May. Eighth, Tapan chopped some firewood with big axe. He piled firewood behind his house. The answer is Tapan chopped some firewood with a big axe. He piled the firewood behind his house. Ninth, I need taxi because I am going to airport now. The answer is I need a taxi because I am going to the airport now. 10th, Ritvik has pictures of ape and panda. He likes picture of panda. The answer is Ritvik has pictures of an ape and a panda. He likes the picture of the panda. 11th, he was chief engineer who built this ship. The answer is he was the chief engineer who built this ship. 12th, Sansad Bhavan or Parliament House is one of most impressive buildings in New Delhi. The answer is the Sansad Bhavan or the Parliament House is one of the most impressive buildings in New Delhi. Fill the correct articles to complete the passage. In a quiet residential area, I saw an old house. The handle on the front door came off at the slightest touch. The living room was musty and damp. The attic had a mountain of rubbish. Everything was in a mess. Then I walked into the kitchen. It had an interesting window through which the sun's rays came in. I realized that I had found the house of my dreams. Points to remember. Articles are of two types, indefinite and definite. A and an are indefinite articles. They do not refer to any specific person or thing. The is called the definite article. It refers to a particular person or thing in a sentence.